Hello. Yesterday I had several Zoom consultations. Uh, Even the day before yesterday, I think. Yung yesterday po, it's from Japan. How do I know what's wrong with them? By just looking at them through Zoom. How do I know what kind of illnesses or sickness they have through Zoom? I'm trying my best to make people understand by using English because there's a lot of requests from foreigners from different countries for me to use English once in a while so that they can understand. A lot of them are really interested. So anyway, yesterday someone asked me, without telling me, of course, and these were people from Japan, asked me what was wrong with them. And I, of course, this can be proven because it's true. It was just yesterday. I told them exactly what was wrong with them. By just looking at the throat, one was the hormonal imbalance, thyroid problem. The other one was something's wrong with her ears. I told her exactly which one. There were quite a few. Sometimes they would ask me, before telling me, I knew already what they would want to tell me or what they want, what the problem is and what they wanted me to do to help them. How do I know? How do I find out these things? When I look at the person, I see the color. The color of a person, or the aura, if you want to call it that, would change. Since I've been looking at the person and I could see their color since the day I was born, I knew and I'm able to differentiate if something is wrong. The color is usually different. So I know, like if it's the throat, the color would change. And then after that, I would hear their guides telling me why I see that particular color in that part of their bodies. When the guides tell me that, then I am able to confirm and tell the person who's asking for help. So there. Tagalogin ko po, kasi nagdudugo ng ilong ko kay English kasi para dun sa mga foreigners. Pagka meron pong nagsuzoom consultation sa akin, tinatanong nila kung ano ang problema, health-wise. I'm talking about yung sakit-sakit, nakikita ko po yan kahit sa Zoom lang. Yung mga bagay na ganon, kaya po through Zoom. Sorry po magalaw, hawak ko lang kasi yung tab ko and I wanted to let you know kung ano yung mga nangyari kahapon just to update you guys. So nakikita ko at sinasabi ko, ang laking tulong po sa kanila kasi yung iba sa halip na hindi na sila masyadong nag-aalala kasi kung minsan akala nila it's something really bad or really terminal, mas madalas po yung madali namang magamot. So, hindi na sila masyadong nagagastusan o hindi na kailangan magpa-opera. Yun naman pong may problema sa buhay na nakikiusap na kung pwede kong matulungan, kung paano mariresolba, ganun din po. Bago pa nila sabihin, alam ko na ayaw ko lang pangunahan. Pero napapatotohanan naman. Yung hindi nila masabi, ako na ang nagsasabi, ito yung problema mo, ayusin natin. This is how you fix it, and don't worry too much. Yung mga things like that. So yun po ang mga nare-resolba ng mga, without you even going to my clinic, small things like that, I can help you. So, alam niyo na po, ano po, yan. Huwag kayong mag-alala dahil hanggang kaya kong mag-Zoom meeting, Zoom consultation, gagawin natin yan. I-click nyo lang naman yung link dun sa may bio ko, yung may basket na pula, dun sa ibabaw, dun sa Spiritual Alchemy PH, dun lang po. Uulitin ko po yung tungkol sa pagdarasal. Ang laking bagay po kasi noon pag binanggit ko yung sa live ko yesterday na pag nagdadasal ang tao, nagbabago ang kulay. Nakikita ko po yon. Kaya alam ko yung mga hindi madasalin masyado. Hindi nila alam na ang laking tulong nun para sa kanila. Hindi lang sa parteng spiritual, kundi sa kanilang health. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ay, siya nga pala. Baka po bumalik ako ng Agartha. I might be able to go inside finally. So watch out for it. Kasi there were a lot of requests. And I'm also curious. Kasi hindi nga po ako nakapasok talaga. Natatanaw ko lang. Kaya halos lahat ng mga paintings ko, yung natatanaw kong mga plants nilang buhay, may mga ginto-ginto. Ang laki-laki naman po ng Agartha. Kapraso lang yung natatanaw ko. At saka natatanaw ko lang through the dome. But, I've been asking permission. They might allow me already. Marami lang talagang preparation. It's not that easy. I love you guys. Thank you so much for following me. And thank you so much for sending me yung mga heart, rose. Yung pag nagla-live ako, ang laking tulong po nun. Sige po. God bless all of you.